Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X1 M35i in Portimao Blue Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X1 M35i in Portimao Blue Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we got the headlights coming on here. And I'm just going to press and hold the panic button for 1 second so we can get the pathway lighting on. So that is the full low beam system. And now that we've got the lights on, I'll do a lap all the way around. Portimao Blue looks really good. I really like Portimao Blue. I think at some point I might have to get a car in this color. And now that we've completed the lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. All right, so we got the beautiful Portimao Blue Metallic. I think the first time I saw this paint was in a 2019 330i, and ever since then, it's trickled down to many models, including the X1 M35i. And I think this paint as the default blue color for our lineup actually looks really, really good. We've got these lines coming down lengthwise on the hood, and it's kind of like you got a power dome in the center, but not quite. We have the BMW Rondell up front and center, one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the double vertical slats, and we've got the M badging on the driver's side. We also have the active shutters in behind here that will open and close as need be, depending on how much air the car needs. We have the front plate bracket installed. We have some functional air ducts on either side at the bottom, more active grille shutters behind here at the lower grille, and you can see a little bit of that front splitter here. So with a little side profile view, you can see that we've got the front splitter down here as part of the M35i package. And if we take a closer look at the headlights here, you'll see that we have the BMW LED headlights. And once I got them on, we've got the double inverted L shapes. And we've got all these little intricate details in there. Also the brushed aluminum with the high gloss has some interesting reflections from the lights here, which look really cool. And full low beam system on, just like that. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 871M wheels in midnight gray burnished with the blue M Sport brake back there. That looks really sweet. And we've also got the body colored over fender here as well. Canadian market gets the M badging on the fender. We also have the black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal, and we've got these little lines on the side. And we've got a little high gloss black section on the rocker panel with the welcome light carpet, welcome light carpet. We also have slick top on this one with black roof rails, black window surrounds. And we also have flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. There's the rear handle, Hofmeister kink, new style antenna. And we've got the rear spoiler here. And there's your rear 871M wheel with the blue M Sport brake. On the back here, you'll see that we've got the rear wiper arm, L-shaped tail lights here as well. And if we take a closer look at them, you'll see that they are three-dimensional. Some nice triangle patterns on the side here. It also says BMW in there as well. And we have the vertical reflectors on the widest sections of the lower rear diffuser. We've got the quad exhaust pipes and the rear diffusers back here as well. X1 badging on this side, M35i badging on that side. And since we've got the key, swift kick underneath the middle will have this open the hands-free way. We have a cargo cover here which can be removed. You just have to undo the two strings on each side and then pop this whole thing out. Two grocery bag hangers on either side on the inside. Little netted area. 12-volt plug here, illumination, plastic bin. And if I lift this one up, there is a little thing there with your wheel lock key tow hook. There's the carpeted mats, and this is all storage space. And once we're done with this, there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath to have this close the hands-free way. Beauty. Now when we come to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. It's 93 octane that we're looking for. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click to close it. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, inside you'll see that we've got some blue contrast stitching on the door panel. We have the Harman Kardon sound system. We have a nice speaker mesh over here. And we've got your window switch, door pull, door pocket. And in the back here, you'll see that we have the black Alcantara Veganza M interior. So we've got the M tricolors on the piping. Nice Alcantara in the center with the blue contrast stitching. The headrest can be flipped up or down. Armrest in the center here with some cup holders. And there's 3 strings, 1, 2, there's another string in the center here, right there, and a third one over there. So the seats, when pulled, will fold down in a 40-20-40 split, equaling to 100, of course. And then there's 1, 2, 3 positions for recline. On the back of the center console, we've also got some vents with the USB Type-C charging port. There's also some more vents down here with the winter mats. And up top, we've got the reading lights. There's also a handle with a coat hanger back here as well. So now that we've had a chance to look at this, let's shut this door and we'll open the front passenger door next. All right, so if we open the front passenger door, you'll see inside we've got some blue contrast stitching, Harman Kardon, unlock, lock, door pull, window switch, some pockets down here. We also have full power seat with lumbar. Under the thigh extension is manual. And again, we've got the nice Alcantara Veganza seats with the M tricolor stitching on here as on the piping. And headrest is manually adjusted up and down here as well. And you'll see that we've got some ambient light going across here. Again, the nice Alcantara and Veganza with the blue contrast stitching on the dash. Down here, you've got your glove box. We have iDrive 9 here. Down here, some vents. Wireless charger, there's a little seat belt here to hold your phone while you're charging. And you have 2 cup holders, USB Type-C, 2 of them, 12-volt plug, push start button, there's your little volume wheel. And if I press this, blue contrast stitching on the center console cover, there's a little storage compartment here, more storage down here. Let's shut this door, go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me open up that door. You'll see inside, again, we've got the nice Alcantara Veganza, blue contrast stitching, Harman Kardon sound system. We've also got some memory buttons here, unlock, lock, door pull, window switches, side mirror controls, tailgate releases down here. Full power seat with lumbar on the driver's side. And we have the M Sport steering wheel with M down here at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock as well. And if I just jump in here real quick. So I just wanted to see. So we've got some automatic parking functions here. And we have, if I get into the park assist view, you'll see that we have front sensors, rear sensors. There's your backup camera. And we have the ability to do some automatic front park, back park, parallel park. And up top, we've got your rear view mirror, some lighting controls, and we also have your visor here with the mirror opening that reveals that there's a light. And we've got some microphones on the ceiling on each side for Bluetooth and a handle on each side. So now that we've had a chance to look inside here, way down here we've got some pedals. Hood releases here, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we get to the front, you won't have to find anything here, you just have to lift this up. There it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. And this one gives you 312 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal here, washer fluid over here, and we've got the nice strut bar going across for rigidity. BMWs also have two latches under the hood, so they just both need to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just send her down. Beauty. All right, so we're gonna do one final lap all the way around this vehicle. And we've got the full low beam system on there, so that looks sweet. And nice side profile shot. 3/4 angle. Rear view looks also really good. And with those quad exhaust tips, it looks really sweet. So how do you like the X1 M35i in Portimao Blue in this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X1 M35i in Portimao Blue Metallic. How do you like the car? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.